Welcome everybody
to Cooking with Poppy.
Today we're going to be making this amazing meatloaf. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this dish. And most importantly, please
like and subscribe.
So let's get started. Let's dice 1 small onion, half a bell pepper, and 1 clove of garlic. Pan on.
Medium heat. Olive oil.
As I'm sauteing these onions, I'd like to introduce my granddaughters,
Alwyn
and her sister,
Guinevere.
They are always a great help on these videos. After 2 minutes, let's add some
garlic.
Cook the garlic for 1 minute, then let's add those peppers. Cook for 1 minute.
Worcestershire.
Then we'll take it off the heat and let it cool. Mustard.
Paprika. Worcestershire. Parsley.
Ketchup. Sour cream. Parmesan. Now let's combine all those ingredients to your onion and pepper mixture. Let's add a cup of your favorite beef broth. Let's add 1
egg.
And then we need to
stir it together.
Now we add 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. Next we add 1 pound of ground
beef.
And then we're going to mix it all together. Be careful not to overmix it at this point. Now let's put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 30 minutes. Let's make a glaze for the meatloaf. Got some ketchup and some
Worcestershire,
a little of your favorite barbecue sauce, and just a little apple cider vinegar. Season with a little salt and pepper and whisk it together. Give it a taste and adjust to how you like it. After 30 minutes in the refrigerator, let's shape this into a nice meatloaf. Onto a wire rack to get it ready for the oven. Let's put it in a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time to apply that glaze generously. And now we put it back into the oven for another 45 minutes. Once out of the oven, let's get it on that cutting board. While the meat rests, it gives me a chance to say,
thanks for coming, everybody.
Until next time.